home is an open grave. Sits concave at the southern tip of the continent, cradles the souls of slaves agitated by the injustice that echoes on after the last sacrificial breaths of life they gave. My home is an open grave. We've boxed our state of minds in coffins of dependency, carried by the force that drives the shenanigans of presidency as they mask their shortcomings with a fist of farce. Dance, rally, and sing, pretend that 18 years of freedom can atone for centuries of suffering. Ring warning bells for the youth as their minds are lowered into the abyss. Our parents scold our ways as though they had nothing to do with this. Stones deluded with fresh-cut flowers that once stemmed from reality, now uprooted, ungrounded as scarred natives endeavor to mark their territories economically and socially with tender paychecks and BEE fallacies. The scapegoated poor must be sent to the slaughter, for the rich must get richer. Cue the mourners. This ceremony just got realer. My home is an open grave, yes, look how far we've made it. Barred the picket fence around us and shunned the company of our neighbors. Though God said welcome them, for we too in Egypt were once strangers. Instead we laced petrol bombs with a fiery hatred, spat in their faces, said, forget that they shelter our own in exile. This country is ours and no other African can claim it. My home is an open grave where our children die of starvation, though they play in fertile soil. But knowledge is attained, so who's to blame for this mishap? Because in my home, we hold education up so high, when the powers refuse to build the schools, we burn the ones we have. Hard labor is frowned upon, so these shovels stand unmanned. How can we luxuriate in the fruit of our forefathers' labor when no one will till the land? This land that was the livelihood of those before us. Take heed of that melancholy chorus in retrospect of that bloodshed, the evidence of the grace of a God who is for us. My home is an open grave. We see the cracks before the splendor. Cringe at the ashy calloused skins of our elders, the black rings around their eyes from when they engaged the struggle to birth the future that we now call ours. If we could just exhume the wisdom they maintained, to see the beauty and capacity ingrained in our land, and discard the third world concept, for we too were written on the palm of God's hand. Yeah. My home is an open grave, and nations have come to be fed of the riches of our earth and the blue-collared strength that we bred, fled with our treasures of minerals and stones, and turned a blind eye to the tears that we shed. But blessed are you who weep, for you shall find laughter. Despite the turmoil, seek the path of truth and find life in your hereafter. For the road to freedom, though scarred and bruised, is an endeavor we built from the resilience we gained from the blows they gave. In the meantime, my home is an open grave.